Om Shri Ganeshaya Namaha. Hare Krishna. Kartik month Mahatmya Story Chapter 8. Naradji said, "Now I describe the Udyapan of Kartik fast which is going to destroy all sins. A person observing the fast should do Udyapan on Kartik Shukla Chaturdashi for the fulfillment of the fast and for the love of Sri Vishnu. Build a beautiful pavilion over Tulsi, connect it with banana pillars, and enhance its unique beauty with different types of metals. Keep a series of lamps beautifully decorated around the mandap. In that pavilion, make four doors decorated with beautiful hangings and decorate them with flowers and leaves. Make separate clay gatekeepers at the doors and worship them. Their names are as follows: Jai, Vijay, Chand, Prachand, Nand, Sunand, Kumud, and Kumudaksh. Install them two by two on all four doors and worship them with devotion. Make a Sarvato Bhadra Mandal decorated with four colors near the root of Tulsi and establish a pot combined with Purnapatra and Pancharatna on top of it. Worship Sri Vishnu holding conch, chakra, and mace over the kalash. Fast with devotion on that date and hold vigil at night with auspicious events like songs, musical instruments, kirtan, etc. Those who sing devotional verses dedicated to Sri Vishnu while awakening for Lord Vishnu become free from the sins of hundreds of births. Those people who stay awake for the sake of God and chant the name of the God throughout the night, they get the fruit of innumerable blessings. Those people who dance and sing in front of the idol of God, their accumulated sins of many births are destroyed. Those who sit in front of God and do kirtan and please the devotees of God by playing flute, etc., and stay awake throughout the night with devotion, they get the reward of doing crores of pilgrimages. After that, invite a married Brahmin on the full moon day. After taking bath and worshipping God in the morning, set fire on the altar and offer sesame and kheer as an offering to God. After completing the remaining rituals of Homa, worship the Brahmins with devotion and give them dakshina as per your capacity, and then pray to them for forgiveness like this: May God always be pleased with me with the kindness of all of you. By observing this fast, the sins committed in my seven births will be destroyed and my children will live forever. May all my wishes be fulfilled throughout this puja. May I attain the very rare Vishnu Lok after my death. Donate the cow to the Guru along with all the puja items and then have the meal with your family and friends. Lord woke up from sleep on Dwashi date, met the gods on Triyodashi, and everyone saw and worshipped him on Chaturdashi. Hence, God should be worshipped on that date. With the permission of the Guru, worship the golden idol of Sri Vishnu. It is considered best to visit Pushkar pilgrimage on this full moon day. This method should be followed in the month of Kartik. Those who observe Kartik fast in this way are blessed and worshipable. They get good results. Those who are engaged in the devotion of Sri Vishnu and observe the fast during Kartik, all the sins present in their body are immediately destroyed. One who devotedly listens or narrates the greatness of Kartik's Udyapan attains the blessings of Sri Hari Vishnu. Kartik month Mahatmya story chapter 8 is completed. श्रीमन नारायण 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 भजमन नारायण 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 लक्ष्मी नारायण 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 सत्य नारायण 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 श्रीमन नारायण 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 भजमन नारायण 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 लक्ष्मी नारायण 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 सत्य नारायण 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 श्रीमन नारायण 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 लक्ष्मी नारायण नारायण नारायण।